Good morning, respected principal ma'am, dear colleagues, and my wonderful little learners. I am so delighted to be part of this school as a nursery teacher. Teaching young children is not just a profession for me, it is a journey filled with joy, curiosity, and endless learning. Teaching has always been my passion, and I firmly believe that education is not just about imparting knowledge but about shaping young minds, nurturing creativity, and instilling lifelong values. With a deep love for storytelling, interactive learning, and creative activities, my goal is to make each lesson an exciting journey for my students. Whether it's exploring the wonders of nature, celebrating important themes like environmental conservation, or guiding them toward building strong moral values, I strive to create a joyful and enriching learning experience every day. I am also passionate about anchoring and public speaking, and I look forward to contributing to school events, assemblies, and motivational sessions that inspire and uplift our students and staff. I am grateful to be part of this incredible learning environment, and I look forward to working together to help our young learners grow into confident, compassionate, and capable individuals.